Nescafe Dolce Gusto Piccolo machine. Once you get the box open, we'll be first greeted by the Welcome to the World of Nescafe Dolce Gusto. Very first page, you'll see a welcome code there that will allow you to register on the website, get you free box capsules, as well as a free shipping voucher. So that way you can get free box coffee to get you started. Then you get also your user manual, and inside your first page of your user manual, quick start guide. Quick start guide is pictures on purpose, so that way it's language independent. Quite simply, it just shows you different steps to prepare the machine before first time use. Not real important, I'll go through that later. Then we come to the machine itself, and this nice little packaging here. Place this box off to the side. And we see our base plate, just to catch overflow liquid, or if you forget to put your cup down there, whatever. You'll see later. So on the bottom of the machine, we have lots of information, and the most important thing is this REF number that allows the manufacturer to know what machine you have, what brand you have, and will allow them to report anything if you have a warranty concern. Here's your capsule holder. So let's get this bad boy plugged in. There's our water tank. And in the back behind the water tank, right here, there's a little metal wire that's actually a declogging tool. Because what happens is sometimes there's some buildup in things, and your needle right here will sometimes get clogged up. You just push that wire up into the needle, and that'll help remove debris from inside the needle. Be careful not to push your finger against that, because it is sharp, because it pierces the capsule. Let's get some water in this machine and get it all nice and ready to use. Use just normal water temperature. It doesn't need to be hot. It doesn't need to be really cold. The machine works off room temperature water. So let's put this back in there for first time. Put that down. And I need something to throw water in here. I'll use that cup there. Turn on the machine. It'll start blinking like that to notify you that it's warming up the heating element inside. It's designed to stop. It doesn't always, though. Not a big deal. I'm gonna go ahead and run through hot. You'll see that it did turn green once I started using the machine, so that's fine. And once you stop brewing, the light begins blinking again, that's just to notify you that you shouldn't be removing the capsule that you're using right away. In this case, I'm just running water through the machine, so it doesn't matter. And some cold water as well. Alright, so that's all good to go. Let's get our little drip tray. And that simply just slides on right there, or you can put it a little higher if you have a shorter cup, or the next step up. It should always just snap into place. It should never be loose once it's snapped in there. It should be nice and solid, be able to hold your cup throughout the entire process. I'll leave it right there for the moment. Let's go ahead and get a little coffee brewing here. I have a box of house blend coffee. Nothing too special about that. Go ahead and open it up here. Here's your capsule. You'll notice right here some bars for telling you how long you should brew. On the automatic machines, this relates directly to the input process, and on there's a display right here, and you just simply move a selector wheel to decide equivalent to your capsule right here, and that will brew your suggested quantity of fluid through the capsule. So I'm just going to place the capsule in the plastic piece here, slide it back in, bring this down. You'll hear that it pierced the capsule. That's what's supposed to happen. Let me put a little more water back in the tank here. And it just slides on the back, by the way. Nothing to that. Just slide it down and it goes in, and there's a little stopper in the bottom of the tank for control purposes. And this is a hot drink, so I simply just push over to the hot side and wait for my fluid to start brewing here. You heard at the beginning of the brew, the capsule actually releasing some plastic. That's how the machine builds up the pressure. Each capsule is designed to break at a certain point to have built up enough pressure to brew whatever cup you're brewing. This is a fairly large cup, so I'm going to stop right about there. I do believe that a full brew is 60 seconds. If not, it's 30 seconds. I'll look that up later. But afterwards, you will see a little liquid up here. That's not a big deal whatsoever. Just go ahead, toss that capsule into the garbage. You'll be good to go. Place that back there. Turn off your machine. And you have a nice, wonderful cup of black coffee.